Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Daika's Cartoon and Anime Action Figure! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how's everybody? I hope everyone is in good mood, good condition, and of course, good health. Okay, we have another beautiful action figure that we gonna unbox today. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time, and of course, let's do this! Beautiful, nicey. I love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the action figure that we gonna unbox today. Ba-bam. Who knew this action figure from One Piece? This is Law. Trafalgar Law. That's his name over there. Must be written over there. Beautiful, nicey. I love it. Okay, let's do this, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. Okay, there you go. Oh! Careful. There's some tape over here that I want to. And there's one more here. There you go. That's the way to do it. This one's not cut, totally cut. There you go. Beautiful. Okay. Anyway, today is March 28th, 2025. Ba-bam! Delicioso. Ding-a-ding-a-ding. Okay. Let's put the box over here of Mr. Law. And we still need our special tools. Ba-bam! Scissor, do we need it? Oh yeah, we need it. Oh, okay. So this one gonna be easy peasy, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay. This one at the side. So this one is all together. So we're gonna just put them in the platform. At the same time, we got the sword. So we have 3 compartments over here.